Hello children. Today we begin with the second chapter, number work. Now the first problem set that you have here, problem set 2, is actually a revision of what you have done in your previous classes. Okay. So we begin with the first question here. Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. Read the numbers. Now, what you're supposed to be doing is, you have digits from 0 to 9. You have to write 10 numbers each of. You have to make 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4 and 5-digit numbers. And how many you're supposed to make? 10 of all of these. So I have done 5 for you of all of these. The remaining 5, you are going to try it out yourself. Okay. So I'll show you how I have done the first 5. Now see, 2-digit numbers. So you, as I told you, you can use numbers from 0 to 9. So 20, 31, 42, 53, 64. So these are the 5 numbers that I have made. You have to make another 5 more 2-digit numbers. Okay. Similarly, 3-digit numbers, 210, 324, 652, 761, 897. So these are the 5-digit numbers, 5 3-digit numbers that I have made. You will make another 5 of these. Okay. Now I hope children you know how to do it. You can put any of the numbers 0 to 9 in any of the 3 places. That's unit, 10 for 2-digit, unit, 10, 100 for 3-digit, unit, 10, 100, 1000 for 4-digit, and unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 for 5-digit numbers. Now 4-digit numbers, you can go through the numbers: 3120, 6814, 9204, 4672, 5413. Now, for 5-digit numbers, 32,048, 81,920, 26,319, 99,412, 73,138. So these are the 5 numbers that I have made. Now, as I told you, for all 2, 3, 4 and 5-digit numbers, you have to make another set of 5 more numbers. Okay. Children, I hope it is clear and you will be able to do it. Next, the second question, fill in the blanks in the table below. Now the first one, they have shown you an example. They have written the first number in Devanagari numerals. Okay, that's in Hindi. The second one, international numerals, 2359. And they have written the number in words. Now what you are supposed to do is, depending upon where the blanks are, you are supposed to fill it up. Now for example, the second one, 32,756. Okay. Now I'll show you how to do that. Yes, I've done this here. 32,756 and write it in words in the third column. The next one, 67,859. Write it in words in the third column. 1034. 1034. And the last one, 27,895. Okay. So this is how it is supposed to be written. Now question number 3. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka-wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. So you are given four different places. Kopargaon, there is a number that's written. Those are the number of bags that they made. You have to read it and write it in words. Okay. So I've done it for you. You can go through it. The first one, 12,740. Now, how do we read it? Now, actually, if you look at the number from the right hand side, the first digit is a units place. The second digit is a tens place. The third digit is hundreds place. The fourth is thousand. And the fifth place is 10,000. So, when I read 12, it is 12,000. There's a comma after it. 740. Okay. See the spelling of 40. It is F-O-R-T-Y and it is not F-O-U-R-T-Y. Okay. It's F-O-R-T-Y. Now remember that whenever you start from the right hand side, after 3 digits, you're supposed to put a comma. Now the second number is 28,000. There's no number in the hundreds place. Then in the tens place, it's 9 and the units place is 5. So it's 28,095. The third number, 31,608. There is no number in the tens place. So it is 600 and go to the last units place, that is 8. So it's 608. The fourth number is 10,972. Children, I hope it's clear. Question number 4. How many rupees do they make? Now the question is 20 notes of 1,000 rupees. That is, you have 20 notes and each one is, the value is 1,000 rupees. Then there are 5 notes, each note is value 100 rupees. Then 14 notes, each of which values 10 rupees. They are asking you together, how much does it make? So what we must do is, we have to do it this way. 20 notes of 1,000 rupees. So you multiply 20 into 1,000. You get 20,000. As I told you, after 3 digits from the right, you put a comma. So 20 comma 1,000, that's 000. The symbol for rupee is what I've done, what I've written right in the beginning. So it's rupees 20,000. 5 notes of 100 rupees. So that's 5 into 100. Rupees 500. See, how must you write? Whenever you write, you must start from the units place. So 500, beginning from the units place, unit 10, 100. So 5 comes in the hundreds place. Okay. 14 notes of 10 rupees. So 14 into 10, 140. And how must you write? 140, 0 in the units place, 4 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Now add all 3 together. So when you add it, you get 0 in the units place, 4 in the tens place, 5 plus 1, 6 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place and 2 in the 10,000s place. And how do I write it? It's 20,640. Children, I hope it's clear. The second question, actually you can try this out on your own and cross check whether it's the same that I have done. Okay, so you need not copy from what I have written. Try it out on your own and then see whether you're getting the same answer. 15 notes of 1,000 rupees. So 15 into 1,000, 15,000. 12 notes of 100 rupees. 12 into 100, 1,200 or 1,200. 8 notes of 10 rupees. 8 into 10, 80. 5 coins of 1 rupee. 5 into 1, 5. Always remember, whenever you start writing the numbers, start from the right hand side, extreme right. Then go on to the left. So then you never make a mistake. Add up all the units place, 5. Tens place, 8. Hundreds place, 2. Thousands place, 5 plus 1, 6. And 10,000s place, only 1 is remaining, that you will write. So it's 16,285. Okay. Next, we go to question number 5. Question number 5 says, write the biggest and smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 45037 only once. That means you must use these numbers only once, and you need to make a biggest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Now children, when you look at these numbers 45037, which is the biggest number of all these 5? It's 7, right? After 7, the next highest number 5. Then the next highest 4. Then 3 and then 0. So you arrange it that way, starting from the highest and go to the lowest. So 7, 5, 4, 3, 0. So how do you read it out? It's 75,430. So this is the biggest 5-digit number that you can make out of these given 5-digit numbers. Now, to make the smallest 5-digit number, what you must do? You must start from the lowest number. Now, out of these 5, the lowest number is 0. But naturally, you cannot begin any number with a 0. So, the next biggest number, that is after 0, the next smallest number in that list is 3. So, you write 3 first, followed by the smallest number 0. Next smaller number is 4, then 5, and then 7. So that's 30,457. Okay, children, I hope it's clear. Next, we go to question number 6. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Now, there are about 6 places that are given and their populations. Now, for example, the first one, Tala, 40,642. Moregaon, 87,012. Ashti, 76,201. Gagan Bavda, 35,777. Bhamragad, 35,950. Vashi, 92,173. Bodwad, 91,256. Velhe, 54,497. And Morwada, 85,890. First question, which place has the greatest population? What is its population? Children, look at all these numbers carefully and you have to find out which is the biggest number of all these 6. Now, when you look at these numbers carefully, you find all of them are 5-digit numbers, correct? Now, out of these 5-digit numbers, how do I find the greatest number? You have to look at the first number. And what is that place? Place value 10,000, right? So at the 10,000's place, find out which is the biggest number. Now there's 4, 8, 7, 3, 3, 9, 9, 5 and 8. So you find that 9 is the highest number. And there are 2 places with 9, Vashi as well as Bodwad. 92,173, 91,256. Now I'm going to focus only on these because 9 is there in the first place and I know these are the biggest numbers. Now since both have 9 in the first place, go to the second digit and see which is the higher of the 2. Vashi, it is 2 in the second place and the next place Bodwad is 1 in the second place. I know 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, 92,173 is greater than 91,256 and therefore Vashi has the greatest population. And what is its population? Write the value given, 92,173. Okay children? Next question. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has a greater population? Look at both these places. Moregaon is 87,012. Morwada is 85,890. Which is bigger? Is it 87,012 or is it 85,890? Same as I told you, start from the 10,000s place. That's 8 in both the places. Go to the next number, 7, and here it's 5. That means 87,012 is greater than 85,890 and therefore Moregaon has a greater population. Okay. The third question, which place has the smallest population? How much is it? So what must you do? Out of these 6 numbers which are given, you will find the smallest of them. Which is the smallest? If you go through it, it's 35, isn't it? 3 in the first place. And again, there are 2 places with 35. 35,777, 35,950. Now 35 is same for both. Now go to the third number. You have 7 in one place, 9 in the other. Definitely 7 is smaller than 9. And that place is Gagan Bavda. And therefore, it is this place which has the smallest population, and the value is 35,777. Children, I hope it's clear. Now, I have done this here. I have written the answers for it as I have explained to you just now. So you can go through it and write it down. Okay. With that, we finish with the first exercise, that is your problem set 2, which was just a revision of what you had learned last year. Now we go to a new topic, which is introducing 6-digit numbers. Okay. So I think till last year you had learned 5-digit numbers. Now in this particular exercise, we are going to learn how to read and write 6-digit numbers. Okay. So we'll see how to do it. Now the first question was to read the number. Now see, yes, read the numbers and write them in words. So the first number that you have is 7, 65, 234. So what you will do is, starting from the last number, you're going to arrange those numbers in the order unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So after 10,000, the next number that comes is lakh, L-A-K-H. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you all this written in that order. Okay. Yes. Now see, in the beginning, I've written that order. First is unit, then 10, then 100, that is H, 1000, it's written as TH, 10,000, I've written it as TTH, 10,000, and then lakh with the letter L. I have arranged each digit from the right hand side in that order. So it's 4, 3, 2, 5, 6 and 7. As I told you, after every 3 numbers from the right, I put a comma. So after 4, 3, 2, comma. Then after 2 numbers, 5, 6, I put a comma. Okay. Now how do I read it? Now 7 comes under the heading lakh. So it is 7 lakh. Next, 65,234. This is how you have to read it. Okay, go to the second question. I have arranged them. So what you need to do is, for every number that you have, you're going to arrange them in this form: unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. And then starting from the first number, you're going to read it with the place value. So that's 4,73,225. Okay. The third number is 3,27,001, because I'll show you why it is 27,001. See the third question here, 3,27,000. In the hundreds and the tens place, there are zeros. And in the units place, it's 1. So you read it as 3,27,001. Okay. The fourth question will be 8,75,375. The fifth question, 1,50,437. Sixth question, 2,03,174. Seventh question, 6,47,851. Eighth question, 9 lakh. There is no thousand value, both are 0. So it's 999. So it's 9,999. Question number 9, 5,75,010. 10th question, 4,03,005. 4,03,000, because there's nothing in the 10,000s place, whereas there is 3 in the thousands place. So it's 4,03,000. There's nothing in the 100 and the tens place. So you come to the number 5. 4,03,005. Okay, children, I hope it's clear. I have done this in these questions. I've written down the answers. You need to write this in the same form that I've explained the first and the second, and try out and see whether you are getting the same answer. I'm sure you will be able to do it. Okay. Now, we go to question number 2 of the textbook. What it says is, read the numbers and write them in figures. So exactly the other way around. You are given the numbers and now you have to write them in figures. So how do I do it? First question, 1,35,855. So what you will do is you will make those place values starting from unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, and then just put in those values. 1 lakh. So you will put 1 under the lakh a number. 35,000. So 1 comma 35 comma 800. So under 100 will be 8, and 55. 55 in the tens and the units place. So it's 1,35,855. Okay. So you have the statement there. From there, I have to write the digits. So this is what is done in the second question. Now go to the second question here. It's given 7,27,000. How do I write? 7,27,000. So 7, I write it under the lakh column. 27, I write it under 10,000 and th number. 1,000. There's nothing in hundreds, tens and units. So I put zeros over there. Okay. The third question is 4,25,300. 4,25,300. How do I write? 4 lakh. So under L, I'll put 4. 25,000 will be written next. 300. So under 100, I put 3. Nothing under tens and unit plates. So I put 0, 0. Okay. Question number 4. Fourth sum. 9,09,099. Now look carefully, children. 9 lakh. So under L, I'm going to put 9. 9,000. So under 10,000's place, there's nothing. So I'm going to put a 0 there. 9,000. So under thousands place, I'll put a 9. 99. That means under hundreds place, there's nothing. So I'll put a 0. 99, which will be tens and the units place. Children, I hope you are able to understand. See how I've written? 9 lakh, 9,000. That's why 10,000's place, there's a 0. 9,000. 99. So under 100 also, there's a 0. And then 10 and unit is 9. Okay. Now the fifth sum is 7,49,362. 7,49,362. See the fifth sum, 7,49,362. Okay. The last question number 6 is 8 lakhs. So under L, I'll put 8. The remaining are all zeros because there's nothing else. Okay. Now question number 3. Make 5 6-digit numbers each time using any of the digits 0 to 9 only once. So what it means is, yes. So from 0 to 9, you can choose any number and you have to make 5-digit numbers. So you can put numbers in any of those places and make 5 numbers. So I've written 7,25,312, 2,10,009, 9,90,947, 1,50,000, 3,21,728. Now these are the numbers that I have made. You can make any such 5 numbers using any of these numbers 0 to 9. Okay, children, I hope I'm clear. So with this, we finish exercise problem set 3. So we have learned how to make 5-digit numbers, to read them, to write them in words. Okay, so practice this well. Do the revision exercise problem set 2 and practice this well. Okay, thank you.